Hey guys, it's me Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. Yes, I have posted different applesauce recipes and I just recently did an apple pear that turned out amazing. So I just wanted to tell you that never throw out your apples. Even if they're really soft, they are amazing for apple sauces, different kinds. And today I made an apple pumpkin pie spice. So simply chop up as many apples as you have. I probably had about 20. And you can see that I've left the skin on, and it doesn't matter. I had green apples and I had just some red apples lying around. And I'm just adding a quarter of a cup of water because I probably have you can see this huge pot is almost filled. So I don't want to add too much water because the apples will break down and they'll have quite a bit of water in them. And I just added an entire lemon juice, not the whole lemon, just the juice of one lemon. So if you have half the amount, again, depends how much lemon you like. I love lots of lemon. And I make my own cinnamon sugar. You can buy cinnamon sugar, and I just use the Lakanto monk sugar I love, but any sugar substitute, you want to use real sugar, and I make my own. I just bought this jar and I just keep it in there with equal parts cinnamon and sugar, and then I just buy the pumpkin spice. You can buy the Clubhouse like me, or if you can find it, good luck. It's not always easy to find pumpkin spice depending on the season. Around October, it's very difficult, but I usually get it at a bulk store. And you can find the Clubhouse at, most likely any grocery store. So I probably add about a teaspoon. And again, add a little bit because you don't want to put too much in at the beginning, and then you just let it get nice and smooth, and we'll be back to see how it tastes after. All right, so I'm back and my apples look amazing, and you can see that they're already breaking up, and they're very puffy. So you know that it's time to use your hand mixer. And I love this thing because it just blends it so fast and easy. You'll see within seconds, we're going to have pumpkin pie applesauce. And the color is gorgeous. By leaving on the skin, you'll have all the extra nutrients, but like I said, it just all breaks up when you emulsify it like this. Okay, and I bought frozen yogurt, so I'm very excited because I'm going to put this over my frozen yogurt, nice and hot. It'll taste like you're having just apple pie, or you can use my homemade granola, which is of course on my YouTube channel. And you can make it really thin or keep some of the apples a bit chunky. Why not? It's all what you like. So you can see that the texture, I'm just going to turn it off, and you can see that the texture is so nice and creamy, and I'm so excited to try it. It is super delicious. And if you want to add more pumpkin pie spice, you can. But, again, it's up to you what you like and your taste buds. So you can enjoy this just on its own hot. Let it cool before you put it in your fridge. Keep it in a container. You can freeze it too. You can add it to your overnight oats. You can add it to your yogurt, like I said, your frozen yogurt, your low-fat ice cream. Hopefully you're having low-fat ice cream, and once in a while regular ice cream. Why not? Everything in moderation, okay? So easy peasy recipe, pumpkin pie, applesauce. All right, take care. Hope you love this easy recipe. Please share my channel, Risa Weiner, with everybody. My Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. Have a great day. Tag me when you make it. Let me know in the comments.